Welcome to Recarnation. Recarnation is a used automobile dealer specializing in premium, hand-selected vehicles, motorcycles and more. Presenting a pre-owned 2010 GMC Sierra 1500. This two-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter V8 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This GMC has less than 136,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 21 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include anti-lock brakes, MP3 player, power steering, satellite radio, stability control, traction control, Sirius satellite radio, and OnStar. Thank you for looking today, and please feel free to call us with any questions you may have.